Alright, so today, as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm really excited about this box. I already know what's in it. I already sneak peeked about it. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get into this box. So the first thing in here is, there's a lot of good stuff in here. So the first thing is this Cover FX Blurring Primer. I am so excited. So you guys know, if you watch my channel, I am not a primer girl, but I want to be. I want to try primers out that work for my skin type, but I've always wanted to try this one. So this primer is literally, let's see. Okay, so this primer is literally $38. So basically it's $40 and literally like smaller than my hand. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna try it out today. All right, so I'm just putting a little bit, oh, I thought it was gonna be like clear. It's like a dark brown color. Okay. All right, so let me get to where I can see myself in my mirror. All right, so we're gonna be putting this on the face. It's kind of, I can definitely see how it could be like blurring because it does feel like it's pore filling. But look, it's darker than my skin color. It blends in really nicely, honestly. I wasn't so sure about that. I put more on this side than I did on this side. I'll put a little bit more right there. Go down the nose, the forehead, just the middle of my face because I don't have a lot of like pores, just in the middle of my face right here and on my nose. My skin's getting really red, of course. And honestly, I don't see a blurring effect. I never do with primers that people like rave about. I don't know, I just have these like pores that are so large on my face right here and on my nose. I mean, I feel like it looks a little good on the nose, but honestly, primers are not a big deal to me. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape foundation. I am just using this foundation literally because I have it. And it does work, it's just not, it's not that good, honestly. And it comes with so little product, but I'm just trying to use it all up because it's taking space. So literally, like to get product out, I have to swirl it around just to get product out. It's so annoying. So I'm just gonna tuck my hair, put it on my face and see how it looks. This foundation does look good, but it's not like, I don't know. Tarte Shape Tape concealer all over your face looks 10 times better. So yeah, and it's cheaper. And I'm just going in with my dirty sponge and blending it out. Okay, so I have the foundation on my face and honestly, like, I'm patting over the nose and it actually looks like pretty good. Like, my nose has the biggest pores and it's the hardest to cover up with foundation, concealer, and all that. And it actually doesn't look too bad, so I don't know. I'd have to use it some more to see if it's worth $40. And I'm just gonna go in with the brightening side of the Bye Bye Under Eye, It Cosmetics, and just put some concealer on off camera. And then I'm gonna be using the Brow Gal Convertible Brow off camera as well. Alright, so I did my concealer and brows off camera, but if you hear my dogs, just ignore them because they're fighting downstairs and they're so loud. So the next thing we got in the box were these brushes. So the first one is this Aesthetica P12 brush. Looks like this. It could be a very good blush brush or a bronzing brush as well. And then we got from them as well the Aesthetica, it's just like a little brushes. They don't have names on them, but we have an obvious eyeliner brush, a spoolie, and then we have this one, which is an angled brush. And absolutely, there's no way you could do eyeliner with that unless you're like trying to be like a smoky eye because it's so thick. Could not do your brows with it, so I don't really know what I'm gonna use this for. All right, so now my dogs are in my room fighting, so just ignore them because they're being so loud and breathing so loud. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with the P12 brush and I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. blush and go in with it before doing bronzer and all that. Just pat it on the cheeks. This actually works really good for a blush brush. I feel like it blends it very nicely without looking too heavy or sharp. Hey, could you guys like get out of my room? Like, please? Stop! like knocking all my stuff around. Okay, so this little trio right here is $45. What? $45? I mean, I haven't used them yet, so I can't like say, is it worth it or not? But like $45, come on now. And then this one right here is $27. What? Oh my gosh, brushes are so expensive. Jesus Christ. That's why I get Boxycharm, because you get all the products without paying that much money. And so for you guys who don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box for $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. This month we got 6 because it's their birthday anniversary thing, so congratulations to them because I love Boxycharm. I've had them for years. Oh my gosh, my dogs are so loud. I'm so sorry. But anyways, normally you get 5 full-size products, which is awesome because, I mean, like we got this. This is Cover FX. This is very, very high end. It's literally $38. So, I mean, you get that in the box. You pay $21 a month and you get several other products. I just feel like it's so worth it. I always love what I get. There might be sometimes that I get a product I'm just like, whatever. But I always love everything typically. Alright, so this is from one of my favorite brands. The next item in the box is this Pure Cosmetics, the Pure Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette. And I just opened it up. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Okay, so it looks really beautiful. It looks like this on the inside. Super beautiful. So you have some bronzers and some highlighters right here, which we are going to use today. Honestly, the bronzers and contour shades look really dark. I feel like they did have lighter ones for each person they gave them to, but I don't know. So we're just going to go in with the brush, the P12 that we were using, and I'm going to dip very lightly because I don't know how pigmented they are and they're so dark, into this first shade right here called Inventor. So we're going to go into Inventor, and ooh, I'm going to tap that off because it looks very, very pigmented. Okay. That actually looks really good on the skin. This brush is not too good. I mean, it kind of blends like the product, but as you guys can tell, there's like a big line on my face. It's not dense enough to blend. So I'm just gonna rub through it until it blends because I'm too lazy to go across the room. I'm gonna take some down the chin as well. I feel like that shade just looks so nice. Like, it's not too super blended because of this brush yet, but it does blend very easily. It is a very pigmented dark color, but it looks very nice, so I'm very impressed. I can already tell that I'm going to be using it some more because I'm always down to try out and learn to love new products. And I can already tell I really like this. It just looks really good. I feel like it goes good with my skin color as well because sometimes they're too cool tones, sometimes they're too, you know, orange. So this one looks really good. Holy shit, that's so pigmented. It's this damn brush. This brush is like, oh my god. I hope that blends out. It looks crazy. But look, it's starting to blend very easily. I just need to go in with the, that was my fault, I picked up too much product. Just need to go in with the sponge a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a fair chance. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my NYX setting spray and just spray my face with this. And I'm just spraying my face with this before I use the highlighter. I do it with all my highlighters. So I'm just going to let it semi-dry. And I'm going to go in with the Aesthetica Spoolie because I kind of went through my eyebrow a little bit. So we're just going to try to brush that out. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this lightest shade right here. I know this dark shade is going to be way too dark. And I can already tell that this one is going to be kind of dark. So I'm going to go in and see how that looks as a highlighter on the cheeks. Okay, that actually looks really good. It kind of like melts into the skin. I thought it was going to be a lot darker. So I'm just going to go in with it some more. Okay. That actually looks really good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love getting new products that I'm actually like loving because then I have more stuff to use. Look at that. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm excited. It doesn't look like it's that pigmented of a highlighter, but it actually is. Okay, wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Like, honestly, look at that. I am loving this. I feel like the bronzer worked so good. I would definitely love it with a different brush, but it worked so good. And look at that highlighter. Come on now. And so this is $30. $30, and look at it. It looks great. I'm not sure if they have, let me read it. Yeah, I'm not sure if they have different colors or anything. This one is pretty dark, so light skin and maybe like medium tone, darker skin can use it. I'm not really sure. I just know it works well with my skin, but it does look really good. Alright, so the next product we got in this box, I am so excited for. I've actually always wanted this before I knew it was coming in this box. But when I got it, like, I love trying out new eyeliners. It's always so hard for me to find an eyeliner that works good, so I'm going to be trying this one out today. This is the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. It's called the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. So this is what the bottle looks like. I think it's really cool. So you open it up, and it does look like the product is far in there. So it is going to be a little hard once you're getting down to the bottom of the product to get the product out. But I'm going to be going in with the Aesthetica eyeliner brush. If I can get the little clear tag thing off of it. I don't typically use eyeliner brushes like this, but we're going to try it out today because why not? So I'm going to go and dip into the product. Oh, okay. Actually way more pigmented than I thought it would be. I mean, I can't see it that well in this lighting. I really don't think I'm going to like this brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some basic winged eyeliner and try to stay in focus because you know how I am with that. No, this brush is a no-go. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking literally the world's smallest eyeliner brush. This is the Sigma Winged E06 brush. Because that brush, it was just too, it wasn't dense enough, so it was just kind of like fluffy, and I'm not about that life, so I'm going to try to use this one. I totally messed up that wing too. Okay, so I just did the eyeliner and went ahead off camera and put some mascara on. Actually, this eyeliner is the most pigmented gel eyeliner I have ever used. It's super pigmented. I didn't put that much on. I could definitely layer it up, but I feel like I was scared to use it, and then I was dipping into it very lightly, and I was like, wow, this is kind of sheer. But honestly, once I started going into it and like really putting it on, I was like, wow, this is super pigmented. I don't think I've ever had a pigmented eyeliner like this before, so I'm super excited because I feel like gel ones can be easier to clean up and to put on your eyes when you're not trying to film and hold your arm up like this because I suck at putting on eyeliner. I feel like I really have to balance and focus and really focus on it, so it's really hard for me to record it. But yeah, I really like it. It does bleed right here, so like I don't know if you can see, but I have hooded eyes. Every single eyeliner bleeds right there. I feel like maybe if I put eyeshadow there, it wouldn't. But I'm not too concerned about it because honestly, like, I have to be very careful not to get it into this crease right here so it smudges up that way. And I didn't do that today. So I'm not too worried about it today because every eyeliner does that to me because my eyes are super hooded. Alright, so the last product in this box is this Hand Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss. So it has antioxidants and vitamins in it. Honestly, I feel like Boxycharm literally only gives this color shade in the box. I've literally only gotten this shade in the box. I feel like every month I get a lipstick, it's this color, which is fine with because it's my favorite color. So I'm going to put this on the lips. Oh wow. Tastes like cake. Like honestly, it tastes like cake. It's so pigmented, it just went on so easy. Lip glosses sometimes are just like really hard to use and are not pigmented at all. Okay, wow, this is the bomb.com. I just put this on my lips and it feels so nice on the lips. It's literally like, okay, so lip glosses are normally really hard for me to get on. So they're either too sheer with one layer or way too thick with another layer. And this one I can tell isn't getting too crazily on my teeth. Watch me jinx myself. But it's so thin and so pigmented, and it literally, like the flavors are like floating into my mouth, and it literally tastes like cake. So I mean, that's a super plus. It's all natural. I feel like we've gotten this brand in the box before. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna have to check them out because I really do love this lip gloss, and I'm not big into lip gloss, but I'd really like to be because I do have really dry lips. So yeah, this is definitely a plus for me, and it's $15, which is actually a good price for a lip gloss. It is kind of small, but not too bad. And yeah, I'm super excited. Alright, so that is everything in this month's Boxycharm. I am super excited. I actually love everything in this box. I feel like, so we'll just go through the products. I feel like the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I am not a primer girl. I haven't worn it all day. But I feel like it did actually kind of help the pores on my nose kind of sink in, which I haven't noticed with a primer yet. So this is definitely something I'm going to have to use some more because I feel like it did kind of help. And we got this brush right here. This is the Aesthetica P12 brush. So mine's obviously got some weird shape to it right this second, but I feel like it's a really good blush brush because it kind of helps like distribute it on your cheeks. For bronzing, not so much. For contouring, not so much, but for blush, this is really good. And that could be what it's used for, I don't know. And then we got this trio, which is literally $45, and honestly, like, I would not pay $45 for this. It comes with a spoolie, which is nice, but I have several other spoolies. It does come with this angled brush. This might be good to like sharpen up some like eyeshadow to kind of like give that cat eye V effect. I don't know, I might use it another time. This eyeliner brush sucks. It's so dense, or it's not dense enough. It's so like fluffy, so it doesn't work good. So honestly, that was a downside to the box, but it could be really good for you guys who don't have a lot of brushes in your collection. I do have a lot of makeup, so this isn't really something I'm going to care about that much. And then this eyeliner is really good. I do see it creasing, or not creasing, I do see it transferring a little bit, but that's my fault for not putting it down low enough, and I could set it with some eyeshadow. But it is super pigmented, and if you don't have hooded lids, this I don't see being a problem for you. And then of course I just talked about this lip gloss. Really nice. It's super pigmented and it does not feel thick on the lips. So I really do like it, and it tastes like cake. Not that I'm eating it, but like, you know what I mean. And then the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor little contour and highlighter palette is awesome. First of all, I love the smell of it. Literally, like as I was distributing it on my face, I could smell like all the beautiful, it smells like chocolate, honestly. So it smells so good. I did think the colors were really dark, but they didn't show up that dark on my skin. I mean, they blended out really nicely. And then same with the highlighter, like I thought it was going to be really dark, but it actually melts into the skin, which is beautiful. So I do love this. This is awesome. This is a collaboration with Boxycharm, I believe. I don't believe they sell this on their own. Actually, no. They might sell this on their own because it doesn't say Boxycharm's name on here. Yeah, they probably sell this on their own. So I'm sure you can probably pick this up at their store. I'm not sure. You'd have to see like on Ulta or something. But it is really good. And I feel like everyone needs this because, I mean, if you're traveling, it's so compact. Literally, you got everything in here. So yeah, that is everything in this month's box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.